Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to dive into the world of healthy and delicious snacks with a recipe for avocado jam. Trust me, you're going to love this one. First up, let's take a look at the ingredients. 2 ripe avocados, 2 tablespoonfuls of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 of a cup of honey optional to taste. Now, let's get started. First, peel the avocados. Next, cut the avocados in half, remove the pits, and sweep out the flesh into a bowl. Mash the avocado flesh with a fork until smooth. Add the lemon juice and mix well. This will help prevent the avocado from browning. If using, add honey to taste and mix thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to a clean jar or airtight container. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving to allow flavors to meld. Store in the refrigerator and consume within 2 to 3 days for best quality. And there you have it, your very own homemade avocado jam. This delicious jam or spread can be used on toast, crackers, or as a dip for fresh fruits or vegetables. The lemon juice helps preserve the color and adds a bright flavor, while the optional honey can balance the richness of the avocado. Plus, it's super healthy too. Thanks for joining me in this fun little kitchen adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more tasty treats like this one, try our easy vegetable fruits recipes for brain health, available now on Amazon. A veggie-powered recipe cookbook. Until next time, to good health.